Welcome back. SBI will take possession of Kingfisher properties in Goa and Mumbai. The State Bank of India, the lead lender in the Kingfisher Airlines, is moving aggressively to monetize the company's shares and other physical assets. Mail Today reports that for starters, the consortium will take possession of KFA Chairman Vijay Mallya's pleasure pad, the Kingfisher Villa in Goa and Kingfisher House in Andheri, Mumbai.
The bad airline management will finally cost Vijay Mallya his Kingfisher properties. The consortium of 17 lenders has been able to raise approximately 600 crore rupees from sale of pledged shares, of which SBI will get about 25% of the proceeds. Deputy Managing Director SBI says it is incumbent on us to monetize all assets of the sick entity in lieu of bad loans. There is no scope for dialogue anymore. We have crossed the Rubicon. We have had a long dialogue for a long period, and since we were not making any headway, we decided that was the end of the matter. SBI has issued notices under the Securitization and Reconstruction of Financial Assets and Enforcement of Security Interest. For starters, the consortium will look to take possession of Kingfisher Airlines Chairman Vijay Mallya's pleasure pad, the Kingfisher Villa in Goa, and Kingfisher House in Andheri, Mumbai. The two buildings have been valued at 130 crore rupees. Mallya had organized several of his New Year bashes at the villa. A top industrialist has evinced interest in Goa property, while three top Mumbai-based builders are in the race for Kingfisher House. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Goa Forgiving Trust with Creek Freaks and CCP have planned to work on revitalizing the Kampal Creek. Its aim is to bring the creek back to its glory. The program will be held on 12th May in Panji. The groups will donate life-size statues, Jyoti and Uzo, with an aim to save Mother Earth.
We have done lots of work with the Kampal Creek as well as the Mermaid Garden in the heart of Panjim. So we have decided now to merge both these ideas and donate to the city of Panjim two life-size statues, one named Uzo and one named Jyoti. What is the idea of it? Jyoti is the flame of India, which will turn out into a raging fire in Goa, and that's why we've named Uzo. Goa is the microcosm for change. It will bring about change across the country, and it's already happening from this land. So we at Goa Forgiving have decided to bring this together and also unite the waters of Panjim. One of the statues will be put up at Rodorem and other statue will be put up at the Kampal Creek. So the whole idea is about revival of water, revival of the goodness of Goa, and that becomes a raging fire for the whole country. That is the idea of Uzo and Jyoti.
Patron of Churchill Brothers Sports Club, Churchill Alemao, believes his ability to bring in fine players as replacements has made his club a giant of Indian football. Churchill's foreign recruits have done tremendously well year after year, and the club has replaced high-scoring forwards by equally good signings.
Churchill Brothers clinched their second I-League title earlier this week with a match to spare. Fantastic performances by the team was the hallmark of Churchill's successful season. Alemao hailed the team spirit for taking the club to glory.
My players are played biggest role, and they played not like the players, they played like a family players. And this is the reason I won this trophy. And you know, if you take the record of the I-League, 4 times I am a runners-up. 1 time I won, and this is the second time I got it. The 4 times runners-up, only 1 point, sometimes you will do like that only. And 3 times I am a 3rd place. I must thanks for my all supporters of the Goans. The Goans are giving me the best support for the final day.
Churchill have turned players like Yakubu, Odafa and now Henry into goal machines. Alemao feels the secret of the club's success lies herewith.
In my house, mostly trophies. I know to the feeding the team, how is going to feed. You know, when you are sending the team on the ground, that is the only beauty for the win or loss. I know how to set up the team. See, I got Yakubu, one of the best players. When he was gone, people said Churchill is finished. I never finished. I bought Odava. Odava played me so many years. They given me lots of good football. When Odava gone, they saying Churchill is finished. I bought another. I was got a Beto, Chetri, Bilal, and I know to set up the team.
I-League is constantly looking for a better deal, and so are the clubs like Churchill Brothers. Alimau feels the winner prize of 70 lakh rupees should be raised.
Giving the prize is not even one player's money. Not even one player's money. See, I told them at least make it this prize very high, at least 5 crore they should be give the prize, because it's a lot of expensive for this football. And I was worried that sponsor also they not given my money.
To sum it up, Churchill feels winning in football is more important rather than in politics.
This time I not got elected, so I am not feeling bad for that. But if I lost, I am feeling very bad, because I was supposed to win, and last moment you know that our Mohan Bagan scored first. So I thought it's happening the same time, many times it's happened to me. But luckily the Chetri is given me the biggest football in this season.
A reporter from Varga, Samir Bhatt.
If you have missed a bulletin, log on to prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter @PrudentGoa, or meet us on Facebook at facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.